Today's story is short but powerful. The wind and the sun. Let's read together. Once the wind and the sun had an argument. I am stronger than you, said the wind. No, you are not, said the sun. Just at that moment, they saw a traveler walking across the wood.
Hey, are you reading and speaking with me?
He was wrapped in a cloak. The sun and the wind agreed that whosoever of them could separate the traveler from his cloak should be declared the stronger. So, what do you think? Who will win, wind or sun? Let's find out. The wind took the first turn. He blew with all his might to tear the traveler's cloak from his shoulders. But the harder he blew, the tighter the traveler gripped the cloak of his body. The struggle went on till the wind's turn was over. Oh no! The wind tried so hard, but the coat didn't come off. Can the sun do better? Let's see. Now it was the sun's turn. The sun smiled warmly. The traveler felt the warmth of a smiling sun. Soon he let the cloak fall upon. The sun's smile grew warmer and warmer, hotter and hotter. Now the traveler no longer needed his cloak. He took off and dropped it on the ground. The sun was declared stronger than the wind. It was easy for the sun. No shouting, no pushing, just simple warmth. So what do we learn from this? Moral of the story: brute force can't achieve what a gentle smile can. Did you enjoy this little story?
Please comment. Thanks for watching. See you soon.